How to log in or sign in into CommSec account online. Hey guys, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can log in or sign in into CommSec account. In order to log in into your CommSec account, first of all, make sure that you've already registered and open up a web browser. After that, on the web address bar, type in www.commsec.com. .au. I'll make sure to leave the link on my description box below as well. So after you type in the link, you'll be directed to its official page. Once you're on this page, click on login in the upper right hand side corner of your screen. Now you'll be taken to the login interface. So once you're on this page, enter in your client ID and a password to log in into your account, and if the provided information is valid, you'll be logged into your account. However, for some reason, if you're unable, click on forgot client ID or password. You'll be instructed on how you can actually recover your following information. So that is basically how you can log in into your CommSec account, and if you don't have an account, you can click on join now, which is just next to the login button. After that, register yourself into CommSec account. In this way, you can log in or sign in into CommSec. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.